Yeah. Street lights don't save us. They just watch.
Concrete breathing under tied shoes. Sirens untruths, nobody choose. Mama said pray, world said grind. Hope stay quiet in the corner of my mind. I said smile say when the money talk. Premises crack when the pressure walk. I don't rush steps, I pace my fate. Learn real late how to carry weight. Block bait me well, but it taught me code. How does that straight on the crooked bold? I don't glorify pain, I just explain why survival feel like a permanent stain.
Still, I walk the line.
Contain the God.
And line,
No peace.
my sign.
Just time.
Nights long, dogs heavy as chain. Friends turn memories, memories cocaine. I keep my faith folded, never display. Street gon' respect what you loudly say. Every caller got a lesson unpaid. Every loss got a price that stay. I don't dream big, I dream real. Few calm moments I can feel. Seen so many kings fall fast, tryna outrun a haunted past. So I move slow, hard on me like buck, quiet strength in every move.
Still, I walk the line.
Contain the God.
And line,
No peace.
my sign.
Just time. Poke, don't scream, motherfucker. Like. Poke, don't scream, motherfucker. It waits.
I ain't case of heaven, I ain't begging hell. Just tryna live with the cards I'm built. Scars don't shine, they remind me still. I survived nights that tried to kill. If I make it out, I bring truth back. If I don't, these words stay intact. I don't need applause, don't need crown. Saving up right when the world break down. Dark streets taught me how to see. Light ain't loud, they won't put me.
Still, I walk the line.
Between the dog.
And line,
No peace.
my sign.
Just time.